Normally, your internet traffic is like sending a postcard through the mail. Anyone who handles it on the way can read what's on it and see who it's from. Your internet provider, the Wi-Fi network you're connected to, and the websites you visit can all see pieces of that information. A VPN puts those postcards inside a sealed envelope and stamps a different return address on the outside. So the contents are private, and to anyone watching, it looks like the traffic is coming from somewhere else entirely. What that's actually useful for comes down to two things that most people use a VPN for. First, getting to websites that check where you are. Streaming is the most familiar example for most people, like a show that's only available in one country. You connect to a server in that country and it plays. But this comes up in less obvious ways all the time. For example, logging into your home bank when you're traveling, using a service that only works in a specific country, or getting back to a version of a site you actually use instead of the one it redirects you to while you're traveling abroad. Whatever server you connect to, that's the country the internet thinks you're in. Second, public Wi-Fi. In places like airports, hotels, and cafes, those networks are open, and your traffic on them isn't private by default. A VPN encrypts everything you send and receive, so even on a hotel Wi-Fi you don't fully trust, what you're doing stays private. Now, there are a lot of VPNs out there. The one I'm using and recommending is NordVPN, and the reason comes down to two things. One, it works on everything. Mac, Windows, iPhone, Android, smart TVs, and even routers. One subscription covers up to 10 devices, so your laptop, phone, tablet, and the rest of your household are all protected. 2. The network is large enough that streaming actually works. Sites like Netflix block a lot of VPN traffic, but NordVPN's server network is big enough that they stay ahead of the blocks. I've tested this. It works. If you haven't grabbed the deal yet, use the link in the description below to get the best available price on NordVPN, with a 30-day money-back guarantee in case it's not for you. Thanks so much for watching, and stay safe out there.